Inductive reasoning versus deductive reasoning. Let's start off by defining a couple terms. A conjecture is an unproven statement that is based on observations, and a counterexample is an example that shows a conjecture to be false. So here we want to show the conjecture is false by finding a counterexample. The conjecture states that the sum of two numbers is always greater than the larger number. So this is saying that when you add two numbers together, the answer, 3, is going to be larger than the larger of the two numbers you added. So since 2 is bigger than 1, 2 is larger. 3, the sum, is going to be greater than that. This is true. So this is an example that supports our conjecture. If we want to find a counterexample, let's try a negative number. Negative 3 plus 5 is equal to positive 2. 5 is bigger than negative 3, so our conjecture states that the answer, 2, should be greater than 5. However, we know that 2 is not greater than 5, so this proves our conjecture false. So this is our counterexample for the conjecture that was given. Inductive reasoning is the process of looking for patterns and making conjectures. In the diagram below, we see a 3-sided polygon, 4-sided, and then a 5-sided. So your guess would be that the next one would be 6-sided. We also see that each of the vertices is connected by line segments inside of the polygon. So if you were to guess what the next figure is, hopefully this is what you were thinking. Deductive reasoning is the process of reasoning logically from given statements or facts to a conclusion. So in the United States, the law states that you may vote when you are 18 years of age. Madison is 12 years old. So we can say that Madison cannot vote for the next president of the United States. So based off of a law and facts we were given that Madison is 12 and that she is not 18, she cannot vote for the president of the United States. So know the difference between inductive and deductive. Inductive, where you're looking for patterns, and deductive, where you have to use facts. That's it for this lesson. We'll talk about some more examples in class.